Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for chapter 2 for Tori for this side. Equinox Story House, we strong number them for this afternoon. We go take una go for that side so for Edeyam. For talk palava, mash with some work people them for company they make them. For sika money way ngomna they owe them since they never pay them. We go talk palava to Limbe where it don't start ton it be na dirty town. People the way they sabi Limbe fine they sabi say Limbe na place where dirty you know they ever enter for day waiting they happen. We go enter for Limbe for talk that palava. Sabi self say Nkunkuma you know go come out on top that chair where she done. This one na after we constitutional council says they be she done on top this palava for talk say waiting. Nkunkuma na he win vote for get with new Nkunkuma inside we country. Nkunkuma gets sote 71.28%. We go talk as well the glad it be happen for all corner and Sabi self say newspaper themselves say they talk their own story for this palava Nkunkuma way it don't turn back for she done inside A to D. Big part of editor we say waiting say person where he check say sideways sun eternal for up e no dey fine for ye make e comot the sun for sideway e dey. I say waiting person where he check say e no like place where sun e dey for up make e say sef e comot am for sideway e dey. Monica Simon you dey na for that side for Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire. Na for you wey you send we big part talk for this afternoon. Come the people them wey dey turn back small time. Now so self with the M salute for all Cameroon people that way they look with just now for that side so for Cyprus. Big man for all Cameroon people then for that side now Maga Edwin with the salute to them for that side so for Cyprus and Cameroon people that way they see we for side where they call them say Ivory Coast. Tori for this afternoon country people them we go start now for a day aside. We go talk now palava mash. Now one of the big thing them this when Nkunkuma get for start for see say make it no happen for inside a country again. A day aside, Office for Labour and Social Security now pay them this way since they don't come out for work. I say pay them, it don't tell where they come out for work, but since when they promise say they go pay them money for work where they do and before they come out. No money never come out. Now when mommy them. Papa them one dem say wey dem no dey fit for waka the whole waka stick waka for inside a day for talk say wetin say e dey so hungry dey do dem say hungry e dey do dem pikin dem sef dem no dey go school even dem sef when skin no turn fine dem no go fit for go look at their skin na for sika wider way pa dem all dey join dey talk say dis thing e don too much since for 2010 or 2012 where they pay per them 10% for 100 million where they owe them. So today they never pay them that money. Now for sika wider way per them and mommy them all they work as so they go for labor office for go ask and say that our remaining money na how since we will come out for work when I don't fool with his small money now so we say they remain that money day. Now for them way you see per them so they work a reach for labor office for place where they call them say a day for ask and say that money we say e dey. Now for this way delegates say for labor e comot for outside for try for talk for the pa but sabi say the pa they be don she done more than 20 years where they owe them money so till now they never pay them that money so they say better na mash so that Nkunkuma say e go sabi say Limbe na town where plenty people dey like for go for day go chop fish for down beach turn for inside baden and enjoy their life. But Limbe now so the smell where the smell for Limbe. Now different thing. Dirty for all corner for inside quarter for Limbe. As well one this year. Now better thing say company for carry dirty come. But now so company for carry dirty it don't tire work. I say company for carry dirty don't tire work. See small pikin where they play for side for dirty. If this pikin they give bonbon, they give pop-off, say make it chop am. Pikin go so use na that hand. He take the pop-off chopper. Small time, when I go here say cholera don't enter. Now dirty this for even for inside open road. When I see him, Limbe never ever get the kind of face. You understand? Limbe never get and so people that they ask question, waiting they happen for Limbe. limbe wey e be used for being a clean town. Now so for open air you dey see dirty. You dey pass for this side, fly dey follow you. You pass for this corner, dirty. You pass for this other corner, so dirty for inside limbe. So they dey ask na question whether na say company wey dey look out dirty don tire. If na so, Oga Andrew Monjimba, you say he been governor delegate for that side, try for talk for the company so that your town e go be neat. They talk say any man wey e clean, e dey for corner got. When you will start sealing by the dirty so take for ourselves, e dey hear more on top a small dirty wey don see am. Na road this, main road this for inside limbe town. No be na self say na quarter. When we see as well limbe, e don start dirty. Sabi say problem dey for dey. Make we hear wey some people dem for inside limbe. They talk for Davidson Maimo for that side for limbe.
Where mosquito they come over that place, can't baba put it. You couldn't cause sick for the place. I don't pray see me they can't carry. I beg see me na try to for Isakam. Me they can't carry dirty don't too much of kata here. All side for here it dumb, for update dumb, for that here dumb.
I said they say all my round here is sick. I swear especially the my neighbor where they see the hello if one. I swear mosquito my pikin say but open his skin for here no.
Where it kill me for here. I want to know what the way they take our money so that they do now how they do when I this way every day they inherit the dirty. So I beg
the situation at least we try to see the situation.
See sister we don't live around here dirty everywhere.
Yes, as everything. Nalimbe town that as so when I hear say for mob for people that way they she done for limbe. Now I mean say small no be na only Douala be number 1 town for dirty. E don start enter too for limbe. Small time other places too they go start enter for that palava. We go left small tori for quarter. We enter for politics just now. For turn back for wetin wey happen for Constitutional Council yesterday. Sabi say Nkunkuma just now e no go comot for Etudi. Yes, Nkunkuma no go comot for Etudi. That one na according to wetin wey vote for number 7 day e talk and Constitutional Council say they talk am. Nkunkuma get sote 71.28%. Then the other people then say they get na which kind of percent. Sabi say Nkunkuma e go sit down for the sote 2020 wetin wanna calculate wanna go sabi tawe Nkunkuma get for comot for chewe new vote for get new Nkunkuma e go happen. Na the mama na the mo stop small from top here we see as so the team pass. Sabi say for the vote wey happen so Nkunkuma can number 1 71.28%. Maurice Kamto says he come na number 2 place 14.23%. Then we get Cabral Libilin Ninge, he says again na 6.28%. Number 3 place na OC Joshua 3.35%. Number 4 place we get Adamunda Mjoya 1.73%. Gaga Aman number how many place 5 again na 1.55%. Then we get Franklin Difo Afanwi 0.67%. We get Sesh Espo Matumba 0.56%. Then last person, I say last Coco like a Benjamin. Na Akedemuna, he get 0.35%. Sabi say as well the thing the work at the go. Nkunkuma says he gets so how many years? 7 years for start continue for do a work way he never finish for do am. Sabi say plenty work just now a day where he dey wait Nkunkuma for inside the palava, but inside the same arrangement inside the place where they be read result Nkunkuma no be there. We get Maurice Kamto no be there. Cabral Lebi no be there. OC Joshua Gaga, Adamunda Mjoya, Akeremuna, and all the other people there they be turned out for vote. No man in no be there except say Nanti for Franklin Afanwi. Prophet Frank, na he says he be there for inside that place that way they be the read vote. So Sabi say just now Nkunkuma says he go she done on top that chair where he she done on top. You understand? And he gets Constitutional Council says na then go put Nkunkuma on top chair official and when they want put he get for swear say he go do better work as we never ever do am before for the last 7 years wey he just finish. So Sabi self say Nkunkuma na he dey vote back with 70 pack their Okada the 1 year wait way they no be chair for here. All man he be there for his own corner. Small junk there for before. One way they dey where they look other one they dey where they the only nan. Yes, the one that eye they shine. They the wait. Here one the way they get for glad, they glad. One way they no fit for glad, they glad. See now Okada then that work no be there. Work no be there at all for loom. Okada people dey pack so tey time no dey. Time wey result e comot say Nkunkuma no go comot for top chair. Yawinde we start look as so the glad Ebide dey na big glad for inside Yawinde. All man with the clothes from Nkunkuma wey dey be use am for make campaign. They dey turn inside people dem quarter for glad say dey so Nkunkuma e go so she don on top that chair for inside the arraignment. And as well one at the see, no be na only the young people dem say the glad. You get even Fayengo Francis say wey comot for meet with the young people dem for glad as well Nkunkuma say e go she don on top the same chair. So e be dey na palava for glad. Say Nkunkuma e last win even as well condition. E be dey some kind of way inside this palava for vote for this year. But Sabi say Nkunkuma e get for she don on top chair, e do all thing. Yes, Faroto dem small, give them small do. Give am. Very good. Fine man, give am. Give the dough. Give am. Throw am. Throw the money. Nkunkuma don't win. All man get for glad. Yes. All man e get for glad for inside this palava as well Nkunkuma win. We go left Yawinde. We left Yawinde for this palava for vote for we country. We take on to go for Penjam, Jakinomorom. E be turn for all corner for town. One day wey they dey for bad the shack. Pass way dey for road the dance your own kind dance. So that Mutumbu be dey. One way they fall on top Okada. All the one they so. On top glad wey they glad after when Nkunkuma win for that side so for Penjas one day wey they waka for road waka for talk say Nkunkuma e don win and na say new thing dem too e go come for town so Penja e be hot small with Okada people dem and other people dem wey dey make mash for glad after we Oga Nkunkuma say Pobia a win for inside this palava for vote for Genu Nkunkuma. So Jakino say after we turn for Loom, a turn for Penjam, he put a microphone for people them up, say me the talk inside this palava. Make we hear what they get for talk.
We are glad today for it to say we Papa Pombia, the role renouvelé again for mandat for 7 ans. La physique so we the glad. That means today we no go Chile. Today we no go Chile for Penjam, we go so the glad also. Yes, and for say me, he continue to where he don't begin up.
Penja, Jombe Penja, Mungo Centre 2. We dey glad for say we champion don't win. We don't win, but Popo. We don't show am for country say we champion don't win with plenty. Maybe that team for Cartier, na big man. Let's say this that force of experience so you don't talk that true. You go make say this Cameroon go change all.
Bon,
we go come out for inside politics. We enter to for another side. Sabi say Douala, e be talk come good small for some half time for president for Central African Republic. On the people them, president for Central African Republic be come out his own country for Central African Republic. He can land for Douala. He be the one stop small. He rest for Douala before he continue work so for that side where they call him say Switzerland. According to what you hear, Oga President wanna see the salute. He become in a woman. You get he become in a woman. And so two big people themselves for inside Douala here. We get governor, we get DO, all themselves they become for Kanto Kamgood for president for inside Central Africa, where he become for inside Cameroon just for some half time for race and Sabi say inside the arraignment as well told the president for Central African Republic, he be one go now for whose side, he be one go now for Switzerland, so he come do small stop for Douala here before he take another aeroplane for continue Iwaka. So he be job in a short waka inside Douala and governor Sesep Jodone Badiboam, he be there for corner